Welcome back, folks, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and analysis. Today, we've got something special for all you tool enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of impact wrenches with the Milwaukee 276720 M18 Fuel High Torque 1/2 Impact Wrench with Friction Ring. And let me tell you, this bad boy is a game changer. Now, why do I say it's a game changer? Well, let's start with the basics. This is hands down the best Milwaukee M18 Impact Driver 1/2 available in the market right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool is your ultimate companion for tackling those tough jobs with ease. So, what makes the Milwaukee 276720 stand out from the crowd? Let's break it down. First off, power. This thing packs a serious punch with its high torque capabilities. Say goodbye to stubborn bolts and nuts because this wrench will make short work of them, no sweat. But power is nothing without control, right? That's where the friction ring comes into play. It ensures secure socket retention, giving you peace of mind while you work. Plus, the ergonomic design and rubber over mold material make it comfortable to handle, even during extended use. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, construction projects, or even household tasks, this impact wrench has got you covered. It's a true all-rounder that adapts to whatever job you throw its way. And speaking of adaptability, let's not forget about the M18 battery compatibility. With Milwaukee's renowned battery system, you can swap batteries between different tools, ensuring uninterrupted workflow and maximum efficiency. So, there you have it, folks. The Milwaukee 276720 M18 Fuel High Torque 1/2 Impact Wrench with Friction Ring. It's powerful, it's versatile, and it's built to last. If you're in the market for the best Milwaukee M18 Impact Driver 1/2, look no further. This is the one you've been searching for. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy wrenching!